FOMO getting me, and I might blow up my accounts today. Man, traders, a day that I could have easily passed the combines, and I feel like I'm blowing it today a little bit. Blowing it from FOMO and blowing it from not taking advantage of the move. Man, I might turn a green day into a red day here, traders. I hope not. All right, happy Halloween, October 31st. Here we are Thursday with my Topstep combines. This is the leading combine right now at $52,319 and well on its way to the profit target. Only about a little less than $700 from getting there. So a few trades, maybe 2 or 3 more days, and we'll be there. Unless I can get a good gold trade and a good Bitcoin trade in the same day, then I might be able to do this in 2 days. But no hurry. I got 10 days before rebill, and even if it takes longer than that, then so be it. I will take what the market gives me. But so far, this account's going good, and we should be passed shortly. My other, I'm copy trading 5 combines, and the other ones I started after this, after 2 of them. So they're going to take a little longer to get there, but either way, they're getting there. All right, so let's get into today's trades. Okay, just jumped into gold short. 1 contract. All right, if it's not going to go, I'm going to get out, moving into break even. I'm going to start protecting these profits here so I can hopefully pass this combine in the next few days.
Order filled.
Okay, so we'll get out of that trade for $26. Wait for another setup in gold. May get back into this one. We'll see what happens here.
Order filled.
Okay, jump back in with 2 contracts short in gold. Okay, now we're out. Took a $250 loss on that one. Okay, getting back in gold. I'm going to get back in with 2 contracts here on gold.
Order filled.
All right, 2 contracts back in on gold. This might be a bang-up day if this is a loser. But it looks really good on my other chart, so. Looking at the 5-minute candle right now. All right, got my target in there now.
Order filled.
All right, out of that trade, 662. So pretty nice. I'll take it. See, now it's going to go down. Story of my life. 5 seconds later, I would have been good to go. Might have a scalp opportunity. Okay, so short. Stop at the top of that candle. I might get back some profits here. I might do a little over trading this morning, but we'll see. There's a lot of red candles. I shouldn't be in this trade. Let me get out of this trade. All right, so I took that $20, got out of the trade. Got spooked. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red candles with this rejection candle. It's overdue for a green candle in the 5. I'll just wait for another setup. This does look good though. Looks like it wants to retest here, but I need to go really low risk on this because I need to pass these combines and I don't want to give back profit. All right, looks like my indicator was right, and I should have got back in on gold and would have passed the combines today, all of them. Man, so bummed out about that. But look at that move to the downside. I almost want to get back in, right? Should I get back in for another hit? Again, feeling the FOMO, traders. I want to get back into gold right now and make another 300 bucks. But FOMO's trying to pull at me. So what would be next in line to tank, if it hasn't already, would be Bitcoin. So it breaks this area. Bitcoin might go for the ride with gold to the downside here. See if Bitcoin's going to offer a trade. Normally I don't trade Bitcoin until after 11. But looks promising right now. Looks okay on my chart. Man, gold is insane right now to the downside. We'll see what my indicators tell me. I don't know why I feel like over trading today. But looking at the volatility in the market, it's making me excited. Looks like today could be a good day to really put the pedal to the metal kind of thing. Looks like we might be coming out on the straightaway. It's time to hit the gas. All right, getting ready to get into Bitcoin here. Over my Thinkorswim monitor right now, Bitcoin is a short. And it had a trade that triggered a little earlier. So it's kind of a late entry to that trade. That's why the target is here and the stop is here. Because had I gotten in at the right time, this would have been an even trade. But because I'm getting into it late, looking to catch the last piece of the run, my risk reward is lopsided. Man, gold looks like it wants to go short again too. It just looks like it could be so oversold. Let's go look at gold. Right now, when this breaks here, this looks like another run to the downside for gold. It's so oversold right now. I'm thinking about pulling my Bitcoin trade off and then jumping into gold if this wants to break for another run. All right, pull that Bitcoin off. We'll see which one wants to trigger. All right,
Order filled.
Bitcoin is a trade. Let's get out of gold. Let's go to Bitcoin. Order filled. Let's see what's going on here, Bitcoin. In one contract with Bitcoin right now. Looking for a little move down here. Not a big trade. I'm going to sell one more.
Order filled.
Okay, we got 2 contracts now with Bitcoin. Man, gold looks pretty good. It's getting wedgy. I'm watching gold. I do want to get back in gold, I think. Having gold fever this morning, traders. All right, I might jump out of Bitcoin and go get in gold. Let me show you. Yeah, I think I need to do that.
Order filled.
Okay, jumped in short 1 contract gold. Let's see if I can go fast enough here. Stop there. All right, we'll take that scalp on gold. If it wanted to flush, then it would have been great, but it didn't, so I don't have patience. Although it is rolling over now. Actually, I should be going over to my live account right now. Preparing for a trade over there. All right, so a little drama warning. The next 30 minutes is going to be a lot of drama. It was really difficult to even put this out there. I felt a lot of anxiety cutting this piece. I have 4 hours of drama. It takes a toll on you. A lot of anxiety for 4 hours and stress is exhausting. I try to cut it down to 30 minutes with just relevant stuff to kind of tell the story a little bit. So you probably won't get the same impact or feeling that I had over 4 hours of nonstop high level stress. But this will give you a snapshot of what that was like for me today. It wasn't good at all. I was casino trading. I totally left my strategy, discretionary trading, and it was a disaster. So let me bring it to you. All right, so I didn't get back in gold because my indicator was telling me to do it, but it just looked very oversold. I've never seen it like this before. I didn't get in, but look at this move to the downside with gold. I could have passed all of my combines today. Today was the day to put the pedal to the metal. And then, look at this. Bitcoin following suit. I feel like I missed out on so much money today, but at the same time, I had a good day. So I don't know. We'll see. I'd love to be able to jump in and take advantage of some of this. Like I want to get in gold right now. Man, look at gold still going down, traders. Why am I not a part of this ride? Same thing with Bitcoin, right? I need to be in this trade. And it doesn't look like gold wants to bounce. It looks like it just says, nah, we're just going to keep on going. Look at it. Okay, looking at gold here. So we did get that bounce off the bottom right here. And now this is moving to the upside. I'm very tempted to get long right now in gold with this giant rejection here. You know, we were talking about 10 points to $1,000 move for my stop. So it's almost like I just can't afford it. Because I can't afford to give away $1,000 and almost blow up accounts, right? It's just not smart. I could switch over to the micros in gold and look at that as well. All right, so here we are in the micro golds. Small long up to 773 area. Close to the top of this candle. So basically looking for a retracement on here.
Order filled.
Okay, so jumped in with 2 micros on gold.
Order filled.
Oh no, that is not what I wanted to do.
Order filled.
I grabbed the wrong one. Alright, so we took a small loss in gold already because I pulled the wrong one going to put my limit order in. I was supposed to drag it from here, not from here. Alright, so got in that trade right at the very top. Gold is coming back down now. It looked like it was going to get a bounce and a breakout to the upside. FOMO might have got me, traders. FOMO might have got me. Man, traders, a day that I could have easily passed the combines, and I feel like I'm blowing it today a little bit. Blowing it from FOMO and blowing it from not taking advantage of the move. Pardon me. Actually, you know what I could do is I could sell this right now. What are we looking at here? And then I could jump into the minis from here into the long side. Man, it's kind of a risky trade, but that feels like the right thing to do. We're putting a base in. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. We're going to take this. We're long, so we're going to take a loss on it. Flatten all.
Order filled.
Now we're going to go over to regular gold. 1 contract. Buy.
Order filled.
Stop. All right, here we go. So now we're doing it in the mini. So now we are back in the mini with one contract. Man, I might turn a green day into a red day here, traders. I hope not. Trying to catch a falling knife, but we do have a base here. But we move up. But I do feel like part of me is doing it because of FOMO, where if I just quit earlier, I'd be up $400 or $500. Be pretty close to passing the combine. One more trading day, like tomorrow, I'd be good to go. Probably pass the combine. Let me go look at the 1 minute on my other chart.
Order filled.
Okay, gonna get back in short.
Order filled.
So now I'm short gold, turning a green day to a red day right now. Man, traders, I hope I'm not doing dumb trading today. FOMO is getting me. I missed the move to the downside, and now I'm trying to get the crumbs on the bottom. And as a result, I might have a red day. Weird thing is, with my live account, I don't feel any desire to go over there and overtrade or FOMO or anything. I got my move and I'm done. Like, I'm happy to be done with my live account. And I think it's because it's money in my pocket. And today I was looking at being so close to passing the combine that the draw was maybe I could pass the combine today, and like trying to force a profit target on the day is what's allowing FOMO to get control of me this morning. Whereas in my live account, I don't have any. The only thing I have over there is to preserve capital. So it's pretty easy to be out of the market because being out preserves capital. Whereas over here, I'm trying to hit a goal. And I'm not there at that goal yet. So it's allowing FOMO to drag me back in rather than just saying, you know what, I'll come back tomorrow. And tomorrow's another day. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to hit the bottom of that 30-minute candle support area. Thinking about taking my trade off the table here if it wants to give a little push. And then get back in on a break. Man, I'm frustrated with gold today. All right.
Order filled.
All right, out of that trade. So now I'm at $187 in the one account. They're all a little bit different with the fills. 177. So back green on the day. Man, but not huge green. Let's go back to the 30. All right, so hit that. Got in there. I wish I would have got it down here a little more. Could have pulled 200. Now how do I get back in? I mean, look at all this red. Green is coming, right? I don't want to get stuck in it when it happens. We got 15 minutes before this candle closes. FOMO big time. So next stop looks like it could be way down here somewhere.
Order filled.
Okay, jump back in. If it wants to go green again, retrace this candle, then I'll get out. Might be over trading a little bit today. FOMO is definitely pulling hard for another scalp here.
Order filled.
All right, so a little scalp there, and that little spike down. Wish I would have got more, but all good. I'll take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 30-minute candles that are red. Green one is coming. Question is when. All right, feel like getting back in, traders. FOMO's calling. Just worried that I'm going to be red on the most epic green day of the year. Like, this is the day that you wait for all year long, and I'm going to find a way to make it a red day. That's what I'm worried about. I should have passed all my combines this morning, and instead I might have a red day. All right, here we are on the 1 minute candle with gold. Tempted to get in long here. My stop at the low. I'm going to do it.
Order filled.
So I'm long gold now, one contract. Stop is right here for a new low. Yeah, retrace the 5 minute before it. Let me show you. Came up, did that retrace, got rejected. So should have jumped out right there on that retrace and then waited for a break and a close above. All right, like I want to move my stop. Yep, here we go. Gold wants to still go lower. I can't believe it. Catching a falling knife, traders. Not a good idea. Yep, that retraced that 5 minute candle. We're looking at the 5 minute chart right now. I should have took my trade off the table. Okay, so we're out. So we're out. Now we're down $200 in the day. New 30-minute candle opens in 2 minutes. There's no way I can take a short trade right now. Fully expect a retracement, but I may jump in long. Epic green day, and I'm turning it into a red day because of FOMO. So stupid. All right, looks like we're going to get in long maybe. Here in gold. My stop will be in the low again. As soon as I get in, you're going to go straight down. What if I did it like this? So let's see what happens. See if this reverses my trade. Okay, am I in short? Yes, I'm in short one contract. All right, now we're back short gold. I need to be done for the day, guys, before I blow up my account. So close to passing the combine. Felt greedy. Wanted to pass it. Today's an epic day. FOMO getting me. And I might blow up my accounts today. I might blow up my accounts today, traders. I might hit DLL. I'm not even thinking about that part of it. Did I already hit DLL? Why am I only in this one? I'm only in this one account right now. FOMO got me today, traders. FOMO got me today. So I'm going to do this. Close my position. Flatten all.
Order filled.
Flatten all. And then I'm going to go buy.
Order filled.
Alright, now we're in long. This is going to make or break the day. This is a turnaround on the day right here, traders. Going to recover everything with this one shot. Feel good now. Woo! Feel like I just survived the day. Now I feel like 100% confident we're good to go. I would get 2 contracts, but I'll hit DLL. I can't afford it. I might still hit DLL in these accounts, unfortunately. I'll get a DLL day and this thing will rip higher the rest of the day and I could have made $1,000. Here goes the break. Alright, now we're breaking the W. Man, fake out, breakout. Don't do it. I just can't afford a retracement before it goes higher. No, I'm going to be in DLL. Oh my gosh. I was so close to passing my combines, traders. And I just wanted that $300. And look what I did. I gave away $1,500. DLL. I went from being up to being DLL. Almost passing my combines to nowhere near passing my combines. Starting over. Going into an election week next week. This is a disaster. Absolute disaster today, traders. I don't even know what to say. FOMO got me.
Order filled.
Alright, well there you go. That's what happens when you hit DLL. But it was only on that one account. Alright, got it. Dismiss. So now what I can do is I can come up here if I wanted to. Sprocket. Copy trading. Take copy trading off. Save changes. Trading. Dismiss. And then this account right here. 355. Buy.
Order filled.
So I bought in that account 355. I could actually buy all these like that too. Let's see here. Then I got to go in. No, I could flatten all. That should get rid of all of them, I think. This looks good. This is definitely a good long trade. Like I want to be long. I just knew I couldn't hold that retrace. Let's see here. 881. All right, so now I'm long in all of them except for that one that hit the DLL. And then when I get to the target, I'll just hit flatten all and get out that way. Let's look at the 30. See what the retracement's like. Somewhere in there for the retracement, that green line. I'll put this at the top of the candle. Yeah, looking good. I just couldn't hold it with that one. I was too close to DLL. Let's go look at the 1 hour candle. So 1 hour looks basically the same. So a retracement on the 1 hour would be for a halfway retracement. Got to start protecting profits when we get through the halfway markers. Yeah, I feel good, traders. Now I feel like I can breathe. Like I was a little bit sweating earlier. I mean, it is what it is. I may hit DLL on all these accounts, and just, you know, like I said, it is what it is. It just FOMO'd today. It got me, and but right now I feel really good about this trade as long as I don't get stopped out from DLL. Market's turning around right now. Gold is 100% turning around right now. I just gotta not hit the DLL, and I'll recover all these and be green on the day, except for that one account that'll be down 1,000. So I forgot, whenever I have an order already on and I right click on here and add an order, it only does it for my lead account. It doesn't do it for the rest of them. And that's what happened there, which is a good thing because I would have DLL'd everything. So good thing I only DLL'd that lead account, and I still have a chance with the rest of these to recover on the day. So it worked out pretty good. Got lucky. I'll take it. Man, I wanted $300 and I gave away 1,000. So dumb. All right, so I'm feeling pretty sad right now, traders. Nervous, sad. Printer's going now. I'm trying to talk, of course. All right, now that the printer's finished, yeah, just feeling sad because today was a great day. Today I should have passed all my combines. Looking at my Thinkorswim charts, I had 2 setups today. The first one you saw me trade. The second one I didn't even see it because I was just FOMOing and emotional and dumb trading, and that switch, that self-destruct switch, got triggered, and I didn't see that other trade set up. But today should have been a day where I passed all my combines, and instead, I'm basically blowing them up. I'm blowing them up instead, traders. It's pretty depressing. All because I saw $300 and I wasn't patient. If I would have just waited for that next setup, would have been good to go. But I got FOMO. I'll let FOMO get me today. So now I'm thinking, like, what do I do from here? Do I just take the week off of trading? Like, just forget about it, wait till after the elections and come back? Because the thing is with evaluation accounts and combines, every day is like a first day of trading with it. Because, yeah, I made $2,000 in 10 days. But I'm still only $2,000 away from blowing up the account, the same as I was on the first day of trading when I didn't have any money because of the trailing drawdown. Now, after $2,000, the trailing drawdown stops, so I did have a little extra today in 2 of my combines. A little extra, but I gave it all away. So now basically with the DLL in the one account, probably going to hit DLL in the rest of these here in a few minutes. I'll be starting my next trading day only having $1,000 of room before I blow up all 5 accounts that I've been trading for 10 days when should be passing them, all of them today. And there goes the printer again, of course. So yeah, just a sad day because I let the markets get to me, and I failed psychologically today, big time. Topstep has this lockout button right here. It's only good if you're strong enough to use it. Right? Fear of missing out gets me into the trade, and then fear of losing takes me out of the trade, and then I don't have the winner that's coming. And this is the difficult part about trading with emotions, is that we let fear of both things, fear of losing money and fear of missing out money, mess us up, and we get banged up on both sides of that coin. I don't feel excited yet. I'll feel excited when I'm out of the trades and my computer's turned off. All right, here we are with this gold trade. I was trying to talk to you up here, telling you I was thinking about taking my trade off the table, put this other trend line in here. It's like, where's the trend line? It was here, but maybe now it's here. Now we see the breakdown. Because right here I could have got out, lived to fight another day, actually in green, small green, but green. But I was like, well, it's right on this, it's real close to being in the target zone, even though it did poke its way in right there. That I figured once it broke this new wedge that was forming to the upside, that would be in a really great spot, but it's breaking to the downside, so maybe not so much. But then again, is this a support area? It's just coming down to bounce the support area and then rip higher. All these difficult questions with discretionary trading. So I don't like to do it, and today it's really hurt me badly and got me in a really difficult emotional state, and I don't like it. All right, let's check in on this gold trade. It's a long trade, man. My last entry was around 11:10. It's already 2:30 almost. Taking forever. Let's go look at that 4-hour candle. Okay, slowly working that retrace. Man, if somehow this thing can retrace in the next hour and a half, halfway back up here, this will be an epic day. I'll still have 1 DLL on the day, but I'll have 1 combine passed and the other ones will be almost passed. So this can be pretty epic. If this can retrace 4-hour, you can do it. All right, here we go. Gold is on the move finally. So we got through the target, all over that target right up there. Now I'm looking to, what account number am I in right now? I'm getting caught a little bit here. 3.5. I want to go to 3.5. So where are we at? Are we on 3.5? Yeah, we're on 3.5. Okay, so that's this account right here. I want to be able to start capturing this move here. It's a pretty big breakout move. Do I want to let it run? All right, I'm going to leave that there for a second. I'm going to go over to my other accounts. It's a little squirrely right now. I almost want to just jump out of all of them and get back in. It's kind of what I feel like doing. Just get back in with this one account. Yeah, maybe I should do that. All right, I flattened all, so I'm out of all of my accounts, right? And then I'm in 3.5, so I'm getting back in with 3.5. So the only, I don't know what's happening here. I see P&L moving. Open, so I still have positions open. All right, so I guess I got to go to this one. Move a stop up, I guess I'll do that. Go to the next one. I don't have a stop for this one. All right, looking for this to break out a little more. But keeping my stop tight. If this wants to go red then and retrace, then I'll just be done for the day. Come on, gold. Let's go push a little more. Another couple dollars. What a roller coaster today, traders. Got 2.5 minutes left on this candle. Oh, man. Come on, gold. Let's go. I'm nervous right now, traders. I'm nervous. Tempted to pull it off here. It's getting stuck. Then I pull it off and it'll rip higher. So nice green day on all these other combines. $200 to $300 green day on all of those. One, I got the DLL on. Like, now I'm happy, traders. What an emotional roller coaster to today. Like, unbelievable. Sorry for all the drama, but that's how it is when I'm trading. No, gold, don't do it. Boosty, boosty, one more. Come on.
Order filled.
Okay, so out of that trade. All right, this day is over. I'm done. Let me make sure I got no orders open here real quick. Cancel all. All right, so no open orders. I'm done for the day. Man, what an emotional roller coaster. I'm exhausted. I have like 4 hours of video I got to cut down so that you don't have to sit here for 4 hours of drama. But $200 in my first combine on the list here, 52,520. So basically less than $500 away from passing. That's one trade in gold. And then looking at the other combine, I got a DLL on that one. I got lucky that I only got in with the one combine on that trade instead of doing it with all 5 of them, because then I would have been DLL all 5 and I would have saw this happen and it would have been a really depressing day. And then these other combines, 300, 294, and 284. So, you know, they're all on the way to passing, and none of them are in the red zone. They still got plenty of room now, except for this one. This one is $1,000 away from tripping its max loss. But anyway, that was dumb trading, emotional trading, and then that's what happens when I trade outside of a proven statistical probability. I deviate from my trade plan, and yeah, it's just an emotional disaster. I'm just lucky that I was able to keep it together enough to be able to break even or make some profit on the day. Whew. All right, everybody, I'm probably not going to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I think I'm going to take the day off and come back Monday, the day before elections. But all right, everybody, have a great day, and if I'm not trading tomorrow, have an awesome weekend, and we'll see you when we see you.